Hey guys, my name is Kara and I'm going to be showing you how to make an LLC for your business today. And this is going to be a step-by-step follow along, so click the link in my description below and we're going to go through this super fast, super easy, and by the end of this video you're going to have your LLC for your business. So first we're going to click the link, and this is for the state of Florida. All right. To start, you're going to have your business name already in mind. I do eyelash extensions. I'm mobile. I travel to people's houses and do their lashes. So my business name is Kara Lashes Miami. Let's see if it's available. And it is. We're going to click next. And what stage is your business currently in? For me, I'm already in business. But whatever you answer here doesn't really matter. So we're going to click already in business. And what is your industry? For me, let's see if there's eyelash. Yep, eyelash extensions. But pretty much any business you type in, it's going to show up in here. And what do you offer? For me, I'm doing a service. So this is a professional service. If you were selling a product instead, you would click physical goods. Are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? For me, it's just myself, so I'm going to click no. But maybe you already have a few, or maybe you're, not sure if you want to. You can click whatever you need to here. And what's the zip code of your business? For me, it is Miami 33137. Now, is your business online? Are you in a store? Or are you on the go? For me, on the go. And what else are we doing here? So today we're going to do LLC and your EIN number. The reason I want you to do your EIN number as well is because it's pretty much like the social security number for your business. You're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it when you open your business bank account and your business credit card. So let's click EIN as well. And what have you done already? Nothing yet. So we're going to click skip. And how do you discover tailor brands? Where's YouTube? You found it through YouTube from me. So let's click that. All right. And this is something they offer. You want help with a free business plan? Why not? It's free. Let's do it. All right. And then you're going to enter your contact info. I'm just entering some fake info at the moment. Okay, so you're going to enter your email. All right, and your secret password. Boom. All right, so this part's about getting your EIN. Definitely recommend to have Tailor Brands just do it for you. You can do it on your own if you want. There is the option. But you can also pay $99 and they'll do it for you. So I'm going to do that just to make it easier for myself. And registered agent. Now, the registered agent, you really don't need one. Like for the most case, you will be your own registered agent unless your accountant has told you differently. 95% of the time, you will be your own registered agent. I am my own registered agent. I live in the state of Florida where my business is located. So let's go with that. Are you sure? Yep. And this part is, would you like to have Tailor Brands renew your LLC for you every year? Now, you have to renew your LLC every single year. Otherwise, you will lose your LLC. Someone else could take it. Or you just have to refile again and kind of start over, which costs more money. I will handle it myself. But if you want Tailor Brands to do it for you, it's $199. But just don't forget that part. And let's see, would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to skip on this one. All right, so would you like to skip the line and form your Florida LLC even faster? So if you want to pay a little bit extra, it's $49. You can do expedited in 2 days. Or if you're okay with waiting for 2 weeks, you can wait and not pay anything. I want to get started right away. I want to open my business credit card. So let's do the expedited filing time for 2 days. It's an additional $49. I feel that it's worth it because it's like, let's go, let's get started. And let's see. I will figure it out myself. Do you need this formation kit that they offer? I'm going to skip on this. Now, this is also very cool. If you would like Taylor Brands to manage your invoices, your books, basically overseeing the bookkeeping and the financials, you can have them do that for you. There is a free trial, and then I'm not really sure the price, but it is a good option if you're really looking to scale your business and you don't want to mess up on the numbers. They can do that for you. Being that it's just solely me working, I will manage the books and invoices. And would you like to get notified when your LLC is ready? I would, so click get notified. All right. And finally, we have here, you can select a different plan. We just need the light. It's $0, it's free. It's the LLC, and you'll get your EIN. All right, and let's continue to payment. Pay with a credit card. And that's it, you guys. So once you enter your credit card information, they're going to ask you a few more questions like personal stuff, your address, your business address, things that are super easy, and then you're done. And that's it. You have your LLC. We did that in like, less than 10 minutes, and you're ready to start your business. So good luck, and see you in the next one.